I really want to see what that painting is like now. Against getting to Money and Love by Wiz. This video is coming at a very odd time for the song, because yeah, it would have been nice to have been worked right after the video, but a lot happened. He kind of, I mean, yeah, Nigeria happened, a lot shit happened that got in his way, but still, I still feel like it could have come in a lot earlier regardless. But then again, it's big Wiz and it's still tuning out content for his album More Love Less Ego. He hasn't moved on away from it yet, so the potential of a deluxe is still floating out there. It'd be crazy to see what he has to offer for the deluxe. I didn't think it was Wizkid's best or brightest moment or greatest follow-up to a Made in Lagos, but then again, he's working out the songs that some have some quality to them. I do like Money and Love. It's one of my favorites from the album. And let's see how he comes with the visuals, you know? Is this going to bring up new steam for the song? I don't think so. I don't know. Videos have not been having that boosting effect for me lately, especially when they come months after the audio. I don't know if you guys have that feeling. I don't think music videos are not serving their purpose anymore. I mean, they kind of do. It's still important. Trust me. You want your music across multiple media, so the idea of it being on TV, the idea of it being used in highlights and clips and visuals for yourself, for your brand, it goes a long way, of course. Music videos are very important. Don't get me wrong, okay? But when it comes to the idea of sparking a little bit of buzz around your song, if your music video is not having some form of shock value that can create another communication or like conversation about your song anymore, I don't see that much value in it, like, to be honest, like in terms of like buzz, in terms of noise around the song. It's supposed to do that. It's gonna have a spike what's in some form, but not to the amount that you are seeing the value of it, especially when you hear these numbers that are going into music videos, right? So yeah, I don't know, it's just something I've been thinking, man, and I've not been excited to see music videos, and especially in this era now, it's mostly on YouTube. You pick it up, except if you are living in Nigeria where you're privy to more local channels that might be picking them up, or music channels that have them streaming on 24/7, then maybe, yes, you're gonna see value in music videos. But other than that, everyone's streaming on one platform or the other, and usually it's not videos that they're streaming, you know. But then again, it's all possible. What do you guys think about that? They aren't moving the songs. Okay, so isn't Wiz meant to go on tour later this year for More Love Less Ego? Yeah, he is. He has been pushing his dates in some areas, especially in Canada. Yeah, he pushed his dates, and yeah, I don't think they've been selling quite well. I mean, then again, it reflects in the consumption of the album too. I don't think it's selling as much. But anyway, let's get into Money and Love to see what's up. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Baby lick like ice cream. Big bad Wiz, Mr. Shift your panty. Fuck you to Buju Banting or Buju Benson.
Fuck you to Buju Banting or Buju Benson is a hard line, and a hard shout out to Benson, man. That's sick. Buju Banting or Buju Benson, yeah, either one we can go. But this setting is interesting for Wiz. Cool. Kind of looks like a drifting park. I don't know where this could possibly be. It looks like, I don't know, I think it's giving, nah, this cannot be Niger, is it? Doesn't look like Niger at all. It's like SA or London even. I could definitely see it being in the UK. What do you guys think this was shot? Yeah, definitely looks like the UK's, because that's where my guy is based now.
Girl, any record, girl, I go make you sing. New shit, they pray for the cocoa, my sing.
That's Def MMA Airport. Murtala. Really? Is that Murtala? No way, this is Murtala. No way.
My pocket full of money, yo.
Hey.
My heart full of loving, yo. Whoa, whoa. Nobody picked up for the dancer, no. Fine lady, she they bounce along. Be around me, wallow me, brag about.
Wizkid without shades, we don't see that often, do we? He has been on the shades for a hot man, especially in his music videos. And Wizkid is a fresh guy, man. Like still looking young and like the Nigerian Pharrell, you know. Yeah, man. It's nice to see him without the shades for a minute. P2J cooked the hell out of this beat, man. Come on.
And if you fly into Mumbai, they feel fine, make me feel nice. Bus too short for this one night. My pocket full of money.
Compare this to the song that we saw, Abracadabra. Like the energy wise, I think this is just Wizkid at this point in his career, man. The energy is just, it's on a laid back P, you know, like very nonchalant, lackluster type of energy. I mean, this song doesn't warrant like crazy energy or thematics, you know. But then again, he's doing what he's doing.
Skin tight for your body, what you do when I want to know. Don't stop, make you drive me. What you do when I want to go.
Why they have all the models dressed in the same cloth? You know, this reminds me of, who's that guy that shows up on Insta blog that always has a lineup of models doing something in somebody's private event? It could be somebody's mother's burial or something. My guy will step in with like a lineup of babes that will have like, I don't know, they're all bald or something, and then he will not be wearing like a dress or something or an attire. Who's the name of that guy again? He does like, I see that I see that so often, and I'm like lost. But this is what this reminded me of, because of how they're all matching in their fits. And Wizkid is just the only guy there, just doing that thing. You got Pretty Mike, Pretty Mike of Lagos. Let's get back. I don't know how we got there, man.
Touch me, I touch, I see you. Yeah, so me, so
hey.
Chop me, I chop.
Luxury, man. That's what the music is saying. A good joint is wild. Hey, look, it's art. It's art, guys. It's art. Okay, we can't. I mean, you can't have it all, man. Not everybody's a Justin UG, you know? Not everybody has it all. We can't have all the gifts. Like, it makes sense. Like, bro, we can't be the artist of the decade and be the number one artist too. Like, no, yeah, we can have it all, man. It's fine. It makes sense. Shout out to Wiz, bro. That was something. That was something for sure. Anyway, guys, oh my gosh. Woo.